Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a construction cake. First, choose a robust cake base, such as a rich chocolate or vanilla, ensuring it can hold the weight of your decorations. Next, prepare a firm buttercream frosting. This will be crucial for both stability and creating your landscape. Finally, collect all your construction-themed edible elements and miniature toy vehicles before you begin. Now, let's build the construction site. Crumble chocolate cookies, like Oreos without the cream, to create realistic dirt and gravel textures across your cake surface. Use green frosting or edible grass to define grassy areas, adding a touch of nature to your site. You can also sculpt small hills and trenches using leftover cake scraps mixed with frosting, giving your landscape depth. It's time to bring your construction site to life with equipment and details. Carefully place miniature construction vehicles, like excavators and dump trucks, strategically on your cake. Enhance the realism by adding edible rocks, tiny traffic cones, and even caution tape made from fondant. For a fun touch, create a mud puddle using melted chocolate or brown gel icing. For the grand finale, ensure all your edible decorations are securely placed so your masterpiece travels safely. Think about adding a personalized birthday message or a small construction site sign to make it extra special. And hey, while you're making things awesome, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're built to last, just like your cake memories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.